Welcome to the Tech Factory. Unreal Inventions transforming the future of transportation. Your go-to channel for the latest gadgets, electric vehicles, and futuristic transportation breakthroughs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible tech innovations. Stay ahead with the future of transportation. Goodyear Aero. The Goodyear Aero is a groundbreaking 2-in-1 tire that brings us one step closer to making flying cars a reality. This futuristic wheel doesn't just roll, it transforms. Let's start with its innovative design. The Aero tire uses a non-pneumatic structure, similar to the iFlex tire. This means it's flexible enough for smooth driving on the road, yet robust enough to help vehicles take off into the air. The real magic lies in its multimodal tilt rotor system. This feature absorbs tension while doubling as an aircraft propulsion system. Essentially, it helps the vehicle transition seamlessly from driving on the ground to soaring through the skies. But that's not all. The Goodyear Aero is equipped with artificial intelligence. This AI collects data from the environment and the vehicle itself. Based on this information, it determines whether the car should stay on the road or take to the skies. While this might sound like science fiction, Goodyear is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Aero tire combines innovation, practicality, and cutting-edge technology, making it a key player in the future of transportation. The Goodyear Aero is more than just a tire, it's a glimpse into the future where roads and skies may merge. Lazzarini Pangeos, the floating city of the future. The Lazzarini Pangeos is an incredible concept, a massive floating city designed to host up to 60,000 people while cruising the ocean. Modeled after the ancient supercontinent, Pangaea, this giant, turtle-shaped ship is 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, making it the largest floating structure ever imagined. This floating city has everything you'd expect: hotels, shopping centers, parks, and even ports for both ships and aircraft. The vessel's hull is divided into 9 sections, ensuring it remains unsinkable. It's also built to support flying vehicles that can take off and land right on top of the ship. Powered by 9 electric engines and solar panels, the Pangeos can cruise forever at a relaxed pace of 5 knots, all while being completely emission-free. Sustainability is key, with the design featuring a special construction facility called a Terra Shipyard, built to focus on eco-friendly technologies. The Lazzarini Pangeos is more than just a ship, it's a vision of future living on the sea, combining luxury, innovation, and a commitment to a greener planet. YX1. The YX1 offers a fresh take on electric skateboards with its unique 3-wheeled design. Balancing is easy on this innovative board. It can reach speeds of up to 40 km per hour, 25 miles per hour, powered by a 1.5 kilowatt peak electric motor. This motor is housed in the large rear wheel, while 2 smaller front wheels guide your direction. For added stability and control, the YX1 features a grab handle. This handle helps you lean into turns for sharper carving and keeps you steady when tackling off-road jumps. It also folds down, making the board easier to transport. The YX1 is built for adventure. Its 13-inch main tire and built-in suspension are designed to handle rough terrains with ease. Whether cruising through trails or hitting jumps, this board is ready for action. The YX1 redefines electric skateboards, offering speed, stability, and versatility in one sleek package. Yacht V2, a new era in luxury travel. The Yacht V2 by Lazzarini Design Studio blends luxury and futuristic design, creating a whole new way to travel by air and sea. This incredible vessel is both a yacht and an airship, offering the elegance of a super yacht with the freedom to fly. Powered by 2 helium-filled balloons, the Yacht V2 can float through the skies or glide over the water, giving travelers a one-of-a-kind experience. With spacious living areas, cutting-edge tech, and a sleek, modern look, it's truly a floating palace for the wealthy. Though the price hasn't been revealed, it's clear that the Yacht V2 is built for those who seek the ultimate in luxury and innovation. It's not just a way to get from place to place. It's a bold symbol of unmatched sophistication. Clocky Alarm Clock. Clocky is the perfect alarm clock for heavy sleepers who struggle to wake up in the morning. What makes Clocky unique is its ability to move. When the alarm goes off, Clocky rolls off your bedside table and starts moving around the room. To turn it off, you have to physically get out of bed and catch it. It's built with wheels and a durable plastic casing, so it can handle rolling off surfaces without damage. As it moves, Clocky emits a loud alarm sound to ensure you're fully awake. Its movements are randomized, so it never takes the same path twice. This adds an extra challenge to finding and turning it off. Clocky combines innovation and fun to make waking up easier for even the heaviest sleepers. Stark Future Varg. The Stark Future Varg electric dirt bike is packed with cutting-edge technology and delivers top-tier performance. It's powered by a 360-volt motor encased in carbon fiber. This gives you an impressive range of 60 to 80 horsepower and 938 Nm of torque at the rear wheel, making it a powerful choice for off-road adventures. Charging is quick and convenient with the 3.3 kilowatt charger, compatible with both 120-volt and 240-volt outlets. A full charge takes 3.5 hours on 120 volts and just 2 hours on 240 volts. The Varg is built on a lightweight chromoly steel frame for durability, and it comes with KYB suspension. The suspension offers 310 mm of travel, both at the front and rear, for a smooth and controlled ride on rough terrain. For stopping power, Brembo brakes ensure precise control. The bike is also fitted with Pirelli Scorpion tires, providing excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. Weighing just 118 kilograms, the Varg is easy to handle, with a seat height of 94.7 centimeters and a ground clearance of 37.5 centimeters. This makes it perfect for serious off-road riders looking for a high-performance electric dirt bike. JetPack Aviation JB11. The JetPack Aviation JB11 is an advanced personal jetpack that redefines personal aviation. It is powered by 6 turbojet engines, each generating about 90 pounds of thrust. Together, they produce a total of approximately 540 pounds of thrust. This impressive setup allows the JB11 to reach speeds of over 150 miles per hour. The jetpack offers a flight duration of up to 10 minutes, depending on the pilot's weight and fuel consumption. Its dry weight is around 115 pounds, and it can carry a pilot and payload weighing up to 230 pounds. The JB11 runs on kerosene, Jet A, or diesel fuel, making it versatile and practical. Safety is a key focus. The jetpack includes engine redundancy, meaning it can continue flying even if multiple engines fail. This feature adds an extra layer of security during operation. Control is simple and intuitive. 2 hand consoles manage thrust and direction, while an onboard computer helps with stabilization and maneuvering. The JetPack Aviation JB11 is a remarkable leap forward in personal aviation technology. It combines speed, safety, and performance to offer an unparalleled flying experience. Tomofree DB008. The Tomofree DB008 is a 4-wheel electric mobility scooter designed to provide seniors with comfort and convenience. Weighing just 55 pounds, this scooter features a quick folding mechanism. It can be folded down to a compact size of 42.5 x 22 by 17.3 inches, making it easy to store and transport. Powered by a 250-watt low-speed brushless motor, the DB008 offers a range of up to 12 miles on a single charge. It can handle inclines of up to 20 degrees, providing excellent mobility even on slopes. The scooter's 10-inch pneumatic tires ensure a smooth ride across various terrains. Its spacious seat, measuring 16.9 by 13 inches with removable padding, delivers comfort during longer journeys. Safety is a priority. The DB008 includes an electromagnetic braking system and auxiliary wheels to prevent tipping on inclines. User-friendly controls make speed adjustments and direction changes effortless. With a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds, it suits a wide range of users. The Tomofree DB008 combines practicality, safety, and comfort, making it an ideal mobility solution for seniors. Volvo Electric Bus. Electric buses represent a major step forward in sustainable public transportation. They combine environmental responsibility with high operational efficiency. Volvo's electric buses are designed for both urban and intercity roads. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, which helps improve air quality and reduces noise pollution in busy areas. These buses are equipped with advanced battery technology, providing a range that meets the demands of daily operations. To support this, Volvo has developed a charging infrastructure for quick and efficient turnaround times. Passengers can enjoy spacious interiors, modern amenities, and accessibility features that ensure a comfortable ride for everyone. Safety remains a top priority for Volvo. These buses include advanced safety features like collision mitigation systems and pedestrian detection, keeping passengers and pedestrians safe at all times. Fleet management is also made easier with built-in telematics systems. Operators can monitor bus performance and optimize routes for greater efficiency. Volvo's electric buses offer an innovative solution for cities looking to modernize their public transportation systems while reducing their environmental footprint. JetShark Q. Meet the JetShark Q, a cutting-edge personal watercraft designed for a thrilling mix of underwater and surface-level adventures. Known for its futuristic, shark-like design, the JetShark Q can dive below the water's surface and speed across it like a high-powered boat. With a powerful engine, this craft reaches impressive speeds both above and below the water, offering a unique blend of submarine and speedboat experiences. Inside, the JetShark Q has a fully enclosed cockpit, creating a safe, pressurized environment while allowing riders to see the underwater world around them. Built for adventure, the JetShark Q seats up to 4 passengers, making it ideal for those who want to explore marine environments in a dynamic way. Recent updates have increased the durability of its carbon fiber body and improved maneuverability with advanced steering controls. Plus, it's equipped with cutting-edge safety features for a secure ride. The JetShark Q is more than a watercraft. It's a new way to experience the thrill of both sea and speed. Seabob. The Seabob is a high-performance underwater scooter that transforms your water adventures. Imagine effortlessly gliding through the ocean at speeds of up to 22 km per hour, diving as deep as 40 meters. Powered by electricity, it uses a jet propulsion system to move you silently and smoothly through the water. With its sleek and ergonomic design, the Seabob is incredibly easy to control. Just lean your body in the direction you want to go. Whether you're cruising along coral reefs, speeding through open water, or diving deep to explore marine life, the Seabob is built for the experience. The battery gives you up to 120 minutes of continuous fun, so you won't have to worry about running out of power. It's not only great for casual water activities, but also perfect for snorkeling, freediving, and scuba diving. You can even adjust its weights for perfect buoyancy, and the one-hand operation allows you to keep your other hand free for diving gear. The Seabob offers a luxurious and thrilling way to explore the underwater world like never before. 18 Wheels. Meet the 18 Wheels terrain vehicle, a groundbreaking machine that's redefining off-road mobility. This vehicle is powered by U-Lead technology, a system that gives each of its 18 wheels its own electric motor and independent suspension. This unique design provides unmatched adaptability, allowing the vehicle to maintain speed and stability over rugged landscapes. One of its standout features is the ability to navigate obstacles up to 200 mm high without slowing down. This means it can tackle tough terrains that most vehicles would struggle with, delivering smooth and reliable performance in challenging environments. The fully electric drive of the 18 Wheels terrain vehicle makes it an eco-friendly choice, promoting sustainability without compromising on power. Every component is meticulously engineered to ensure both durability and environmental responsibility. What's truly remarkable is its traceless operation. The vehicle glides over surfaces without damaging the terrain, making it ideal for areas where preserving the environment is a priority. Whether it's tackling soft soil or rocky ground, it leaves no harmful impact. The recyclable construction and EU patented design show the commitment to innovation and eco-consciousness. 18 Wheels sets a new standard in off-road mobility by combining advanced technology with environmental responsibility. With the 18 Wheels terrain vehicle, we see a new benchmark for versatile, sustainable, and high-performance off-road travel. SeaKite. Revolutionizing maritime travel with wind power. The SeaKite is a groundbreaking catamaran designed to change the future of maritime travel. This innovative vessel uses a unique automated kite traction system to harness the power of the wind, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fuel-powered ships. The kite system on the SeaKite features wings ranging from 50 to 200 square meters. This provides powerful propulsion, helping to reduce fuel consumption and lower emissions, making it a sustainable solution for the maritime industry. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but the SeaKite also features an automated system that ensures smooth and efficient operation. This enhances both the performance and safety of the vessel while out at sea. Additionally, the SeaKite serves as a floating laboratory. It acts as a platform for research and development, helping to advance sustainable maritime technologies. With its cutting-edge design, the SeaKite is paving the way for a greener future on the water.